Good morning, my fellow crypto investors and businessmen. I want to bring you a quick notification about Binance listing a new coin to their exchange. For those who are interested in following up on new coins like this, you can actually buy this coin from other exchange and then list the coin, deposit it on Binance right now, and then wait for time for trading to resume for us to do the necessary things. So this is the message that actually was released by Binance not up to 30 minutes ago. They say that users can start depositing Tribe in preparation for trading. So withdrawal for now is not enabled, and the trading pair will actually start by 6 o'clock coordinated universal time. So I don't know the part of the world you're watching from, but I believe you can actually start now. From my own time is already 47:03 a.m. here in Nigeria time. But you can actually start depositing your coin right now. Then for you to do that, you can actually go to you can actually, let me show you where you can actually buy the coin. Just a minute. Let's go to this my app. Then here we're going to search all the available cryptocurrencies, and then let's type Tribe. This is Tribe. Tribe comes out. So already the price is already going up. This is Tribe. These are the exchanges you can actually buy Tribe. You can buy it on get.io, Coinbase Pro, Uniswap, zb.com, and other exchanges. So you can buy this coin here and then deposit it on your Binance app, or you can actually buy it there and leave it there. So it all depends on you. As you can see here, you see that the coin is already shooting up. So once that is done, you can now another thing you can do. Yes, this is one of the exchanges, Tribe. Get.io. You can actually come here and type on Tribe. This is the pairs, USDT and Ethereum. So once this is done, you can actually buy the coin here, and then
excuse me, boss, you have a text message.
Then initiate deposit into your Binance account. Thank you. I believe this information will be able to help you to make some profit from your trading today. Remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel, as I will consistently be dishing out new informations on a daily basis, new alerts, crypto informations, and things you need to know, so that you will be the first to know about these information that I'm dishing out to my followers. Thank you so much, and stay blessed.